I'm Fire Marshal Bill Burns, and this magic show, while entertaining to young and old alike, could be a hazard to life and limb!
I'm Ted Koppel.
I'm Diane Sawyer.
And I'm Bernard Shaw.
Fall down, bust my skull open, have my blood and brains ooze out on the carpet so you can get a couple of cheap laughs, huh? I don't think so. Homie, don't play that.
Hello, my name is Vivian. When I was in high school, I was real unpopular and no one would talk to me. Now, I work at Walmart, and when I say hi to people, they say hi back. Hi.
Excuse me, but am I invisible?
Possibly from Pluto.
Great. Go get him, Tiger.
Welcome to the world of illusion!
That's incredible. How did you do that?
Easy. Let me tell you something!
By the way, Leonard's into cross-country skiing as well.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you're into cross-country skiing too, huh? I haven't done much skiing this winter, but any chance I get, I'm out there. Let me tell you something. Say you're about to wow the audience with a little sleight of hand.
I'm Ted Koppel. We have just disturbed a bloodthirsty demon and are running for our lives. With more on this, Bernard Shaw.
Here we go.
Trina. Yes. T-R-I-N-A. These letters spell out how much I love you. T is for the city of Torrance, where we were gang raped.
Thank you, Ted. I'm scared. And now, with a special report, here's Diane Sawyer.
I want a balloon.
You've already got one.
You don't need to be helped any longer. You've always had the power to go back to Kansas. Excuse me?
Why didn't you tell her before?
Because she wouldn't have believed me.
Are you out of your mind?
So where do you normally ski?
So how are you guys getting along?
Great. Tom here just opened up, told me he was a virgin until he was 26.
R is for rabies, which we contracted because the offenders were dogs.
Thank you, Bernard. An evil ghoul is stalking us. It wants to kill us, then feast on our organs as we draw our last breath. Sobering news indeed. I'm Diane Sawyer.
It's okay, it's okay. Echo. You're changing your name to David Chopperfield!
I is for ice cream, which neither of us can have because of our severe dairy allergies resulting in blindness or death.
Yes, I know.
Now, how do you feel about yourself?
Totally dissed, homie.
That's why homie don't play that.
That jumping must have expanded my foot.
And I see you must have fallen on your butt a time or two.
How dare you say that to my face?
Well, I'd say it behind your back, but my car's only got half a tank of gas.
Good morning. I'm Bernard Shaw. After 3 days in the forest, I have completely lost my grip on reality. Perhaps death, sweet death, will curb my slide into madness.
N is for nipple. Your third one was my favorite until it was ripped off in the attack. And A is for Armenia. You're prettier than any Armenian prostitute I have had.
Man. God, that smells good.
Ma'am? Ma'am? I'm sorry. You can't lean over the food like that.
Well, you gotta see what's in here.
I know, but you...
Well, why did you tell him I said that? I never said that.
What the hell is wrong with you?
We're going to die. We're going to die. We're going to die. Hello, I'm Ted Couple, and we're going to die.
I have just about had enough of you.
Well, you wouldn't say that if I came with fries and a medium drink. You know medium, the size between small and you.
Stay behind the sneeze.
Behind the sneeze?
Yes, behind the sneeze. I'm sorry.
Teenage girl skipping down the road with 3 dudes. I had to sleep with my hands between my legs. Thought I had the dog.
You didn't have to be afraid of me, Dorothy.
Believe me, I picked up on that right away, tinsel toes. So...
And Tom's a member of a satanic cult and has participated in human sacrifices.
What?
Well, you know all the guys upstairs are into Satanism as well, don't you, Tom?
Oh, my God.
Tom, why don't you join us at the country club this weekend?
I'm Diane Sawyer. I just want to apologize to CNN and ABC. This is all my fault. I'm terrified. My colleague, Ted Koppel, has disappeared.
I'm Ted Couple.
I'm Diane Sawyer.
I'm Bernard Shaw. I'm Ted Couple.
I'm Diane Sawyer.
I'm Bernard Shaw. I'm Ted Couple.
I'm Diane Sawyer.
I'm Bernard Shaw. I'm Ted Couple.
Where are you? Bernard, I'm frightened. Do not leave me behind. Bernard, please. Knock it off, you pompous bastard.
I'm Bernard Shaw.